Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot find Call of Duty Mobile on a Google Play Store on Tecno Camon 18p. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. Right here, if we try to find Call of Duty, it's not here. And to fix this, we'll need to go back. Click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, family, parental controls. Right here, either disable parental controls entirely or enter your apps and games. Enter the PIN code, increase PG to at least 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. Now you can go back and try to find the game. Again, it should be right here and you can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.